Is virus life? What do you think about the virus? Well, the virus, if you look at from outside, it looks like a protein chunk. But inside this protein coat, there are genetic materials. So sometimes they are DNA, or sometimes they are RNA. Basically, those virus particles, they have the protein material outside, but some of them outside of this protein, even they have a membranes. So membrane, as we have seen in the boundary of life forms, membrane was important to isolate the life space from environment, especially in aqueous media. For basic virus structure, they form this kind of a protein coat. So that's why when they are in this protein coat, they look like just a chunk of meat. Doesn't look like life forms. We check the characters of this virus according to life characters, whether they can do self-maintain. Looks like they are very inert, doesn't do anything. And they grow and develop by themselves. They just look like the same. And metabolize, they do not. And respond to the environment, not much. Reproduce by themselves, they don't. Evolve, well, age and die seems like they are just a chunk of inorganic materials. Even in a proper conditions, they can form this kind of a crystal. So it looks like this is just inorganic materials. However, we know that the virus can cause diseases. It can be herpes, more severe hepatitis B or C. Wow, more severe HIV, AIDS virus. Wow, coronavirus, Ebola virus, Zika, influenza, and so and so. So these materials are just the toxic materials. It's more than that. They can amplify, they can make the spread out. It has a more serious damages. They look like inorganic form, but they do something more. They look like inorganic form by themselves, but when they meet life forms, let's just say this virus, when they enter the cell, this is a real life forms, and then they can enter and then amplify their genetic materials. Let's just say if this is an RNA virus, change RNA into DNA, and this DNA can be incorporated into genome of a host cell, and eventually can make more RNA and make more numbers of virus particle, it can come out. And then one entry, and it can come out millions of billions of amplified the virus that can form. So virus itself is look like it's the inorganic and non-life form, but once they meet other life forms, right partner, then they utilize the life form's metabolism and they can reproduce, even they can do evolve to make more toxic, more dangerous virus. In this sense, do you think virus is alive or life form or not? Think about serious about this question.